thought this was kale. Turns out they're little tiny cauliflowers. This one is as well. What? Maybe this is kale. This looks like this is cauliflower. No, that's not cauliflower. That's definitely a cauliflower. They have mutated, transmutated into different vegetables. Hello, welcome to the allotment. It's a day that many people are calling January the 20th, and indeed so am I, because that is indeed the day. So this morning we went down to the ward office and we made our application for our new allotment plot, and hopefully it will actually be this one. It'll be this same plot, which is number 39, 139. What a beauty. It's not going to go on this tiny thing. And now we're going to pick this rather large, well in Japanese it's called a hakusai, which means like a white leaf. I guess it's like a Chinese leaf cabbage. So much cabbage there, you know, God. The thought of eating all that is a little bit, anyway. It's quite heavy. How much it weighs? There you go. One cabbage, one hakusai. What a fantastic dinner we're going to have tonight. Trying to save this kale. I'm going to take it home and bring it back. There you go. That's the two kales. They can come home with me today, and then when we get this allotment, we can bring them back and put them back in the ground, and they won't notice anything's happened. It's like a little holiday. So today I'm just coming. I've picked the big cabbage. I've picked the big hakusai. I've potted up these kale. I'm going to take these home. If I really do get the same plot, I could have just left them here, but it's a bit rude, I think, anyway. So all that's left now is this bit of curly kale. That's going to have to come up, and these kale. I thought it was kale, but it's not kale. They're little tiny cauliflowers. We went down to the ward office, and it's a fantastically analog system. They explain what you have to do. You have to fill out a piece of paper. You have to give them a stamp. You have to write your name. There's no digital gardening. Which is great, actually. I quite like that. Beautifully quiet here today. Everything's going to sleep, but there's still quite a lot of activity. My neighbour, this neighbour, he has finished. He's just leaving. Look, that is just... That's art. This guy's an artist. Look at that. He leaves just the one hakusai in this beautifully tilled plot. He just leaves that one there as a statement. The guy here, he's like a lot of people. This is how a lot of people dispose. Dig a big hole and put your cabbage in that hole and fill the hole where you've put your cabbage, and then your cabbage is gone. Out of sight, out of mind, deep underground. There's a world going on underground, as Tom Waits said. A couple of guys over there are getting ready to go. The sun is getting a little bit low now, as you can see. It is coming up to 3:19. The sun's a little bit low. Anyway, I better crack on. I'm going to pick some of this kale for tonight's salad. A miracle. Kale has been transubstantiated into a cauliflower. Now I call that a miracle. I don't know what you call it. Hakusai, cabbage, kale. このカエルはもっとカエル。万歳大量。予約しましたか？しました。I can't finish this today, so I'm going to come back tomorrow, and I have one more weekend, but I'm probably going to get the same plot, so, but I should tidy it up just to be polite, you know. So anyway, from the allotment, this is John saying goodbye.